Our early career development programs are for those who are just starting out in their career and want to help build the future of Sonepar. You're exposed to every aspect of the electrical industry. From day one, you're brought into the Sonepar family.
The STEP program gave me a strong foundation for success and skills.
The culture within Sonepar is really to give a lot of opportunities to those who are early on in their career, whether it be a project or owning a program.
I feel like I have a voice. Leadership listens and empowers us to actually use that voice and turn it into action.
You can come in as a salesperson and decide you want to go to finance. You can get into marketing, to logistics and warehousing, anything you want to do. And you work for a company, by the way, that encourages that.
The culture is very nurturing, collaborative, and just supporting.
On my first day, I was able to meet the president of North America, Rob Taylor, and he offered us so much advice, so much wisdom.
I love that it is a family business and you can feel that in every pocket of the business, no matter which company you're working with.
I'm really excited to discover what I'm passionate about, and Sonepar gives us those opportunities.
As part of an international organization, I've been able to work with teams all over the world. Not only do you see the concepts and the trends that are in the US, but you get to see what other countries are doing and what other companies are doing.
I've traveled to Thailand, Paris.
I'm proud to work at Sonepar because we're accelerating the energy transition. There's a lot of new technology and innovation going on.
The sky's the limit. You could always change avenues and learn different skills and grow professionally.
All of you could be president of an operating company someday. That is very, very doable. That should be inspiring.
We know that young professionals will shape the future of the company, and we give them the means to do just that.
I can learn almost anything. I can go almost anywhere. That's just incredibly inspirational to me.
Come to Sonepar and electrify the world.